probably should have prepared some remarks, but since I never went to Miss Holmes' class or never went to Miss John's class prepared, why should I come here prepared? I was busy preparing for basketball.
Bobby Solomon has just a classic line about lab school. He says that everyone here is overconfident athletically and underconfident academically.
There's no way that I could have accomplished any of this without amazing coaches.
I will definitely be bragging about being etched in the history books at lab school.
I just want to say how proud and honored I am to be part of the 2020 Hall of Fame. Congrats to all the other inductees. It's a pretty impressive list when you look top to bottom.
Thanks again for the honor of being a member of the Lab School Hall of Fame.